Remember when I said I made like a car?
Yeah.
Some parts. Me and Ryan are getting divorced. What?
Oh my god.
That seems fine, right? Because it's easier to.
Yeah.
Marker on him.
I got it.
I know. Alright, this here or here? Is there any instructions? I got like 3 different instructions. I'm kind of screwed. I didn't get instructions.
There's Japanese in here.
It says this product is a set of innovation products. See? It's not gonna work. Like, it'll work if I want it to. Yeah, it's too short.
Alright, that's good.
I'm not going to tell you to take the video. It's still okay.
Can't get this. To go there? Probably not.
Yeah. And then we have to put like tiny holes in it.
I want to try it. Yay, man! Yay!
Okay, now, is that it? Don't we want, Taylor, don't we want other things?
Oopsie.
Give me a second.
I think if I'm getting about halfway through, we can use the cutters over there.
I could just burn it.
Oh, you think?
How hard glue on the table. And my fingers.
Can we use what we have to make it work?
What does that say? And what does that say?
Try.
Okay, so when we were talking about troubleshooting, tell me what's the first thing we always check?
Check the wires.
Check the wires.